Yes.
Cheese.
Keep looking at your book. What else do you see?
Cheese.
What else is in your book?
I don't know. This is a sweepy, and this is the outfit.
Oh.
And here's all the other kangaroos.
What do kangaroos do?
I don't know.
What do you see?
A rabbit and a gorilla at the end, and a brown hawk. Daddy, what is his name?
I don't know. What's his name?
Coham. Daddy? This is all about animals.
What else do you see?
A polar bear. And what is his name? Daddy, what is his name?
That's raccoon.
Raccoons live in trees all day and night. And Jack was living in woods all day and morning, Daddy.
Yeah. What else do you see?
A dolphin, he lives in the river too. And polar bears too. Polar bears live in water.
What's that?
too. I don't know.
I think that's a big koala.
Koalas can live trees. I ripped this off because it was in my way.
Well, that's okay.
It can not. Then when I had a birthday.
Okay, Emma, let's wrap it up. What's your favorite animal?
She's my favorite animal.
Who is it?
I don't know. She's a dog, I think.
You think a what?
A dog. Daddy, what's her name?
I think that's a prairie dog.
I like prairie dogs. And I also love these two so much. And they all rested, Daddy.
They're all rested? No, yeah, they're taking a break. All right, say goodbye.